Ciao Tesla people, just a quick note that there is a navigation data update is downloading, and it's the EU 2024.20. Now this is for the European only, and there is not much to do. It's just do the download installation. There is nothing to click or wait to schedule or anything. It will download it by itself and install by itself. There is nothing you have to do, which is pretty good. Okay, so this is an installation of the latest European navigation data. There should be updates in streets, new streets, or maybe camera speed would be good, because I noticed some are not there. Also, what is good here in Europe, when you navigate, there will be the list of chargers, third-party chargers, not Tesla superchargers, but other chargers. So when you navigate, you can check out in the map also, and you get a list of other chargers that are around your location, which is pretty good. So this navigation data might have an additional list or an update list of those chargers around Europe, which is pretty good. Okay, so please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.